beautiful day today. It's finally it's like 65 degrees around here. It's really nice. So the challenge is about eggs, and in the message I wrote I hate eggs, but I was just kidding. It's not that I hate eggs. I just am not a breakfast person. Wait, don't, before you yell at me. I'm the type of person who really prefers salty food to sweet food. So especially in the morning, if I just woke up, I'm half dead still, and I don't really want to eat mad sugary stuff because it makes me feel kind of gross. So usually in the morning I eat something more salty. Not that it has anything to do with eggs, but in the summer I go to a summer camp and I'm a counselor, and I was there for 7 weeks, and we had eggs every day. So usually I tend to be a little tired of eggs for a while, though I have not made an omelet in a while, and I was really pissed at Wendy because she made a cheese omelet, and I don't even that's the only kind of omelet I know how to make, so I'm gonna have to be creative, and who knows, maybe it'll taste good. So let's take a look.
I challenge you to a duel!
So the other day I went to a diner and I got a Philly cheesesteak, and it was really big, and I didn't finish it, and it's been in my fridge, but the bread is kind of gross, so I'm going to take the contents of the Philly cheesesteak, which is steak, onions, and cheese, and I think there's some ranch dressing or mayo or some shit in here, I don't know what it is, and I'm going to put it in my omelet and see what it tastes like. So let's see how this goes.